Hello everyone, I'm Nabila Amin Meme. Today we are going to clear up a very common trap in WS question using how long, how often, and how far. WS question asks for special information, they usually being with WS word. The words are how, what, when, where, why, who, which. Now, how often is asking about frequency. We use how often to ask about how frequently something happens. For example, how often do you exercise? I exercise 3 times a week. Then, how often does she visit her grandparents? She visits them every month. How often do you eat out? I eat out rarely. The common answers of how often, like always, usually, often, sometimes, and never. How long is asked about description or length. We use how long to ask about the description of the length of something. For example, how long have you lived in this city? I have lived there for 5 years. How long is the movie? It is 2 hours and 15 minutes long. How long will you stay on vacation? It will stay for 1 week. A common answer is for a few minutes, for 2 hours, for 3 days, for a long time, since, until, etc. Then how far is asked about distance. We use how far to ask about distance between places. For example, how far is it from your house to school? It is about 3 kilometers. And how far do you live from the beach? I live about 10 minutes from the beach. How far is the airport from here? It is not far, it's only 15 minutes away. A common answer is a few meters, 5 kilometers, miles, not far, quite far, etc. Remember, WS question being with WS words. They help us get more information. Always answer with full sentence. Thank you.